Alright guys, welcome back. Another Italian video. You're probably getting tired of it at this point. Why does the restaurant look busy and why does everyone got wine outside? Well, they have a wine window here. So the wine window, you go up, you usually ring a bell, you can get wine, hang out, take it in the restaurant, drop off your empty glass. Nice little refreshing way, but we're gonna go in and get some Italian pasta today. Check it out. Alright guys, the menu here. And he's actually working the wine window over here. They have.
Hello.
Yeah. Doing a food review. Okay, pause at any time. And by the way, if you're ever at the wine window over here, don't block the entry to the restaurant. So there you can see the little wine window. These actually got popular during COVID, just because people could actually still sell the wine and they didn't have to come in the establishment. You usually have to ring the bell at them. All right, gluten-free pasta with the pesto and fresh tomato and cacio e pepe. They only do the penne here because that's the only option they have for the pasta. All right, exit video. There's the little wine window from the other side. All the people. That place was good. My dish was really nice, light and refreshing. Nicole's was really good. They do charge, I think, an upcharge for the gluten-free stuff there, which kind of sucks, but some of these places do charge. They were a little bit more. Yeah, really good thing. Nicole and I have been wondering, we keep seeing a lot of stuff from the States about the COVID thing now going on back home, and nobody cares here. It's pretty crazy since this is like the epicenter of where like COVID started in 2020. And I really think like Europeans in general are just over this stuff and nonsense. Like they did their part, they've moved on, but it's pretty sad knowing, you know, certain things are coming up back in the States and we have to rehash this stuff again. So hopefully by the time we return, that whole mess is done with over there, but I doubt it. Not to get political, but it's kind of hard to nowadays, you know. Anyways, recommend that place. Check it out, it was good. All right, see ya.